Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are going to start a new series or playlist in which we are going to upload Python programs which are common in CBSE school exams. So without any further discussion, let's start. So let us start with the first program. It's a basic program. The program on your screen is: write a program to accept two numbers from the user and check whether the first number is divisible by the second number. So the program is asking that you have to take two number input from the user and check whether the first number is divisible by second number or not. So let us start the program. So you have to take two inputs from the user. So let us check a variable a and then int, which will make sure that the variable which is given by the user is in the int form, means integer form. Then input its input statement, then enter first number. So one variable is taken. Now let's go for second variable. Let's say b equals to int, same input, enter second number. Now we have to, after taking two input from the user, now we have to run a condition statement. I think you all know what is condition statement: if, elif, else. So now the program is asking, we have to check whether the first number is divisible by second number or not. So we have to run a condition statement: if first bracket a mod b, it will check the first number, that is a mod b. Hope you all know the function of mod. It will see the remainder of a when it is divisible by b. So a mod b equals to 0. So the condition statement is checking whether the first number, when the first number is divided by the second number, the remainder is 0 or not. We have to give a colon so that the condition statement works. Then print divisible. Now else print not divisible. Your program is done. Let's run the program. We have to save it. See, he is asking for the first number. Enter first number. Let's also enter 9. Then it's asking enter second number. Let us enter 3. Now see, it is displaying it is divisible. Means we have to enter the first number as 9, second number as 3. So the condition statement if will check whether the 9 is divisible by 3 or not. So the remainder is coming 0, so it is printing divisible. If the remainder would not come 0, then it would print not divisible. So let us check the number which is not divisible. So we have to start a program again. Now let us enter 8, and for second number let us enter 5. See, it's printing not divisible because the first number when divided by the second number is not giving the remainder as 0. So the condition statement will run not divisible. Hope you all guys enjoyed this video, understood this video. If you face any problem, just do comment below. We'll try to answer you back as fast as possible. Thank you for watching the video.